Go.
Hello, I am Sarah Hartman, and today we're going to do a rocket launching. And here comes Evan Hartman, the launcher, and owner of the rocket. Hello, Evan. How are you doing today?
Good.
And do you hope this will go well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, let's get into it.
Here. All right, come on, Evan. You gonna do a countdown?
Mm-hmm.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hold on. You gotta stick this thing in here.
Mm-hmm.
Now do your countdown.
10,
9, 8, 7,
No, I gotta
6,
hold it. I gotta hold it
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, sir.
Hello.
This is take 2 of the rocket launching. Let's hope it works.
Last one didn't go really well.
Yeah.
Although
Okay.
bit-
So, do you hope this is working?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think about this, sir?
I don't know. It looks pretty interesting.
What do you think about... Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm telling you, it's not working. Okay.
Dang it.
Do it.
Take 5.
You gotta touch each one of these.
Okay.
Each one of those.
Ready?
But you want to watch the rocket too, so stand over here. And when you go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then touch it.
Okay. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
That was super hot.
What the heck is it?
Where to go? I'm scared to walk. Where to go? I'm scared it's still in the air.
It's not here.
I'm scared. Where to go?